Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a sticker haul that I received from Paper House Productions. I am on their new sticker squad, so they let me pick out a whole bunch of their stickers and they've sent them to me, so I want to share them with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of these out real quick. So like I said, I am on their new sticker squad, so I will leave a link to Paper House Productions down below where you guys can get some of these stickers for yourself if you're interested in them. But I wanted to share them with you guys before I started using them in my VIDMAS projects. I'm going to start with all of the holiday themed stickers first, and then we'll go through a few others that really caught my eye. So there's this one. It's really pretty. It's very puffy. There's some like matte gold on there, and I thought this would be perfect in projects. There's also these itty bitty super tiny little ones with gold foiling, and I thought these were so stinking cute. I love all the little stars, tiny little snowflakes. I think these are so adorable. I'm also working with some non-traditional colors in my December daily, so lots of pinks and blues, and I thought this would be perfect. These are super puffy, and I love the little snowflakes. The phrases are really cute too. I also chose these little reindeer. Again, so adorable. That's kind of the theme of everything I picked. Just really adorable little stickers. I think these Christmas lights will be really fun to add to like the corners of projects or along the top, or a little tangle down at the bottom layered over some washi tape. Penguins, I had to because I can't not. I love me some penguins. I think we all know this by now, and it's probably getting a little annoying to hear over and over all about penguins, but I can't help it, you guys. They're so stinking cute. They're my favorite. He's so cute. He's like got earmuffs. This dude's dancing. This guy's sliding around on his tummy. And the bears are really cute too. Like this one, kind of sliding down some snow. So adorbs. I chose these little gingerbread men, and I chose these because they reminded me of Gingy from Shrek. Like, not my gumdrop buttons. I think they're so super cute, and they're all making like little different faces, which I think is really fun. These puffy snowmen are amazing. He is so stinking joyful, I can't even. He's got the funniest little hat on, and these are like really puffy. They're more puffy than I was expecting, but I actually really love it 'cause they remind me like of marshmallows almost. So cute. And then I also chose a few packs of their 3D stickers. So these ones are very 3D, they're very dimensional. I think that's awesome. I don't have a ton of these types of stickers, so I wanted to build up my stash a little bit. I love the glitter accents on these as well as the gold foiling. And there's even some like clear kind of star situations going on, so I think those will be really fun. I love Christmas cookies, especially my mom's, so I picked up this set and I thought this would be fun to decorate a project with, or a page in my December daily about cookies. I think they're so cute. And again, I love all the glitter. And then these I also picked up. I love the wintry colors. I love the clear acetate like background on this one. I think it's so beautiful. And it's got blue glitter on there, and I think this will be perfect in my December daily. Paper House Productions also has a bunch of planner stickers, and I was trying to pick a variety of different kinds because I can use planner stickers in projects too. It's not a big deal. And I can use some of these for like journaling spots or for tracking or whatever. This banner is really fun. Again, I'm just thinking these would be really great for like journaling. Like even this to-do, like I can use this as a journaling spot and just cover up the to-do if I want, or notes about a certain thing that happened. You know, so I think these will be really great to add to my December daily or other projects or things like that. And then they had this sticker book, and I was just blown away. I thought it was so beautiful, and it comes with several sticker sheets, so I had to get it. There are all these traditional kind of colors going on in here, lots of gold foil. I think it's beautiful. These are very decorative, and these are cardstock ones, so they're a little bit thicker, which is nice. Again, more stickeriness going on. I kind of wish this whole thing was a sticker, like the star garland thing. It is just the stars though, but I think that'd be really fun. So maybe in the future they can make some that are like the whole banner. I think that'd be really pretty. Again, a great little journaling spot. Another little journaling spot, some fun larger decorative pieces. This page is kind of split up into some decorative elements as well as some gold foiled alphas. And then there's this sheet of alphas, which is really fun. They look like red glitter, but they are not. And they look way more glittery in real life than the camera is picking up, but they are super fun and perfect for that hint of glitter when you kind of don't want to deal with any mess. So I'm really impressed with this sticker book. Kind of going along with seasons and things, I grabbed this sticker book. It is huge and I'm so excited for it. So it is all about the seasons. It's called the seasonal sticker book, and I thought this would be amazing for like Project Life or my one little word album. You could obviously use it for planners, you know, but there's like a couple sheets for each kind of season and holiday, and I think that's amazing, and this could be used in so many different ways. Paper crafting projects, planner spreads, you know, any kind of documenting you do. You could put these in your traveler's notebook if you document that way. But I just thought this was so great, and since it covers such a wide variety of seasons and holidays, I could definitely get some use out of this. Paper House Productions also has Harry Potter things, and I have already purchased some of their Harry Potter washi tape and items on my own, so being able to pick out some to receive from them was amazing. So I picked up these tiny little stickers. I think these are so adorable, like these tiny little snitches, the tiny little glasses, itty bitty hat. I mean, you just can't go wrong with tiny little stickers. I love tiny stickers. You know, they're such a good size just to add a little bit of detail. I mean, look at Toby, he's so cute. I also picked up this pack of the House Crest stickers, and I thought I could add some of these to my Harry Potter album that I will be sharing more about soon. So those are fun. I think there is like another sheet behind these two as well. And then going along with the whole little sticker book thing, I thought these would be so fun to work with too. So again, some more journaling spots. I love the imagery that they chose, and we all love Harry Potter, so why not, right? And I love the foil accents. So I think these will be fun to add not only to my Harry Potter album, but also to any kind of Harry Potter themed projects I'm working on. And then just a couple more things, another little sticker book, and then some of their enamels, which I wanted to see what these were all about. And they are so shiny, they are foiled, they have not really a whole lot of dimension, which I'm surprised by. I was expecting them to be more dimensional, and they are not. So if you're putting these in a planner or a bullet journal or something, it's probably better that they're not super dimensional, but they are so shiny and so beautiful. And I love the galaxy on there, I love crystals, I love all that stuff. And then to go along with those, I did pick up the little sticker book again. I mean, obviously these are intended for planners, but like you can layer on top of these, you know, you could journal with, you know, a marker on top of these. It's not a big deal. So when I see like a planner sticker set, like I'm not too concerned about it because I know that I can use it in a bunch of different ways. Love all the gold foiling again. So beautiful. I mean, so gorgeous, right? I love this one so much. Amethyst is one of my favorites, so I was super stoked to see that. So that is it for my Paper House Productions haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that it gave you an idea as to the different types of stickers that Paper House Productions carries. And as you can see, there's something here for everyone. So definitely make sure to go over to their site and check it out. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!